قرنا الوهاد قرتاغنا لحظو قبشا إيا قبتون توسنا وماني ذو دقاق بديقيت سما ويقادتي قبتو دالد سنا قرنا الوهاد قرتاغنا لحظو قبشا إيا قبتون توسنا وماني ذو دقاق بديقيت سما ويقادتي قبتو دالد سنا قبطة لقشور سنة كشقها يبتا غيري سنة قدر باسي مية تقني سنة إنده قبطة لقشور سنة كشقها يبتا غيري سنة قدر باسي مية تقني سنة الله قروح سنة أوقاف سما يتخلن شذي قيمي سنة الله قايا يا قلبي حارنا فقل سمي قصر في عنا الله قروح سنة أوقاف سما يتخلن شذي قيمي سنة الله قايا يا قلبي حارنا فقل سمي قصر في عنا غير كهدبتي قروح دافسنا قيبتين حشوت كو قياسنا أنيقا قيري قلت فريد سنا ومانا هلدا أو قدفلا غير كهدبتي قروح دافسنا قيبتين حشوت كو قياسنا أنيقا قيري قلت فريد سنا قدرين قابين وقا قربي حومك قرمي سنة وقبويني دي قرصي النعبا ترمي قدرين قابين وقا قربي حومك قرمي سنة وقبويني دي قرصي النعبا الله قروح سنة أوقاف سما يتخلن شذي قيمي سنة الله قايا يا قلبي حارنا فقل سمي قصر في عنا الله قروح سنة أوقاف سما يتخلن شذي قيمي سنة الله قايا يا قلبي حارنا فقل سمي قصر في عنا الله قروح سنة أوقاف سما يتخلن شذي قيمي سنة الله قايا يا قلبي حارنا فقل سمي قصر في عنا
Because so I didn't actually find the music on my own. So if we I want to do a fashion show. I like that. I get in trouble with doing life a lot. I'm not going to put in trouble so much. I want to do a fashion show and I want you to be part of it. I'm going to do politics from don't forget where you started from. I don't want to designer. So we were so he took me back. He never told me really. The politics man with a career. It's just something that might be there and maybe not there. So I'm a cat. The best one of the ones that were in teaching come up and was at it. One could figure out that it was Marcano 50-50 kuchira mashallah. The wooden cartoon and say I'm my manager I am Simone K store in Nairobi. I am going to politics. Marcano go bishop kuchira on high one Buddha high start where I'm not sure what to do. Alhamdulillah, my time came out of the show. I'm sure there's going to be people who still believe that in fashion waa iga halaabin dacweyne aan noqonin marka I came for you guys to be honest with you diyaar maan u ahayn I haven't made my new collection yet sa u ogtihiin isaan media iga socotin arrimo kale baa ii haystay xaalad kale baa ii haystay marka alxamdulilah waxaan ku faraxsanahay inta arrimaha ka soo baxo aan halkaan imaado aan dib u noqdo my history and where I came from and who I was really before I became an MP on Sifirdiman Somalian ka noqonin marka you guys are dadka aniga maxaa dhihi jiray support so I couldn't let you guys down farmaajiya khayr waxaan ka tahay let's put everything on hold in the weekend waan soo noqonaya dhalinyarada isku goyso 2020 futurekan ka shaqeyno international maxaa dhihi jiray fashion show muqdisho qabanayo wadaano qarax or anything marka I'm actually here for that waan ku faraxsanahay just to see just the wonderful people who are just here for the sake of fashion. I'm in fashion and design and clothing can actually make us forget about everything that's happening in the world. And everyone can actually express who they really are with their clothes. Maka, like my dream, just like he had a dream, or how we in Tanoko, I did the Nikuchan and we go from that. So my Hadam on her stag like a cartoon here. She have never came to Somalia. Never seen Somalia. But you said them they say I don't know at the airport. Next year, 2020, election coming. When inshallah my dream is governing and having a hold on to Somalia or something. I'm not sure. Okay, on the fashion show. We'll come to Somalia, inshallah. And I want to see everyone to be there, inshallah. And that's my dream. I don't know if it's going to be real or not, but at least fireworks can have this thing. That can be fireworks. So anything you can make it positive. Okay, don't worry, inshallah. 2020 fashion show, Somalia International Fashion Show, will be held in Somalia, inshallah. Regardless. Thank you guys.